The care I received here was great. It's the only time I've ever had a problem with back or joints that someone has actually fixed me up. My name is Collin, and I'm a farmer. I hurt my back. I was working in my yard and tearing out a raised garden, and I went to the doctor. The doctor said I had a bulging disc. The options were to live with it or to go to a specialist. So I got an opinion from a specialist in Mayo, and he said it wasn't bad enough to have surgery. My day-to-day life was affected. I had trouble climbing stairs. Sitting too long was awful hard to get up. I couldn't stand for any period of time. I didn't do anything there was about 3 years that I basically just lived around home because I wasn't in good enough shape to get out and do the activities I'd like to have done. The fact that I was in pain, couldn't seem to get any help anywhere else, and I had exhausted about all the options I thought I could find. Of course, I'm driving a tractor and listening to the radio, and Dr. Ben's commercial come on, and I hear it over and over again, and I thought I'll give it a try. So I called up and I got an appointment, and it sounded good when I originally came. I thought I was going to get a laser treatment, but there's so much more to it than that. All that put together is where you really get the benefits that I felt. My expectations were that I would have success with him, but I didn't know if it was going to happen. And right from the start, I thought my expectations were met and more. Every time I came, I felt better. Within a couple of treatments, I was feeling noticeably better, which surprised me. My boy said one day to me, Dad, you're still standing. Because before, I would always be leaning or looking for a place to sit, or I couldn't stand over a few 10, 15 seconds. I'd have to sit down. But now I could stand for 10, 15 minutes, and it was working great. The more I did, the more mobility I had, less pain I had. I've got back to my normal life, and I'm doing everything that I was doing before I hurt my back. It's all about quality of life. And if you're going to be in pain and not getting to fulfill the things you want to do on a daily basis, your quality is not good. And he just gave me all that quality of life back. It was just great.